Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share what it's like to camp at the Soft-Sided Campground in Lake Louise, located in Banff National Park. It was our first time camping here, so I'll share about the weather we had, what the campground is like, cool little setup we used to cook our food, and some really important rules you need to know before you go. I'll also show you some of the beautiful hikes we did nearby and share a few tips we learned from the experience. We camped here in June, and honestly, the weather was all over the place. It went from sunny to rainy to super windy, and sometimes all in one day. So definitely pack for all kinds of weather, bring layers, a rain jacket, and something warm for the chilly mornings and night. The weather was kind of unpredictable, but honestly, the amazing views and fresh mountain air made it all worth it. This campground is specially made for people camping in tents or soft-sided trailers. The whole area is surrounded by an electric fence to help keep wildlife, especially bears, from getting in. The campground itself was actually really nice. The bathrooms were clean, there was a kitchen shelter, and a dishwashing sink, which was super helpful after cooking. There is no electricity at the campsites though, so we brought 5 power banks just in case. You can find some outlets at the shower building, but the showers were a bit far, so we ended up driving there. For cooking, we brought our Jetboil for quick meals and boiling water, and a portable grill for grilling our food. If you are wondering where we got this portable grill, my boyfriend and I brought it from Canadian Tire. It is a 2-fold griller from the Woods brand. I'll drop the link in the description below if you want to check it out. It worked great for grilling burgers, barbecue, shrimp, and hot dogs. So for the foods that needed hot water, we used our Jetboil, and it was super handy for making cup noodles, boiling eggs, and heating up hot chocolate or coffee in the mornings, which felt extra cozy, especially on those chilly mornings. Oh, and these are not sponsored. We just really love using it on our camping and wanted to share how useful it is. Oh, by the way, that's where I film. We had a cooler to keep our frozen food fresh, and since we were in the bear country, we made sure to follow all the food safety rules to keep everything safe and avoid attracting wildlife. Speaking of that, a really important rule here is you can't leave any food, coolers, or scented items unattended, not even on your picnic table. Parks Canada is really strict about this, and they will take away any food or gear left out to keep wildlife from wandering into the campground. So please make sure to store everything properly whenever you're not using it. It's all about staying safe for you and for the animals. We also did some amazing hikes during our trip. 2 of the trails we did was the Big Beehive and Plain of 6 Glaciers. Both trails starts right at the Lake Louise lakeshore and are close to the campground. The Then we also hiked the Tunnel Mountain Summit, which is located in Banff. The views from these hikes were unreal, and I actually made a separate videos for each hike, so if you want to check them out, I'll leave the links in the description. One thing I wish we had known earlier was how quickly this campground gets booked up. We reserved our spot a couple of months in advance on the Parks Canada website, and even then, some dates were already full. So if you are planning a trip here, definitely book early to get the dates you want. The same goes for booking a shuttle to Lake Louise and especially to Moraine Lake. Since you can't drive there yourself anymore, shuttle spots can fill up fast, especially during peak season. So it is a good idea to book those in advance too. Overall, we really enjoyed the experience we had on this campground, and it was a mix of relaxing, cozy camp vibes, and adventurous hikes with amazing views. In the next video, I'll be sharing all the camping gear we brought and a simple checklist to help you know what to pack for your own trip. Whether it's your first time camping or just want to stay organized, this guide will help make planning a lot easier. It will pop up on the screen right here once it's posted. So if you don't see it yet, that just means it's not up yet, but it is coming soon. I hope this video helps you plan your own trip and gives you a better idea of what to expect when camping at the Soft-Sided Campground in Lake Louise. So we're here at the campground, Lake Louise Campground. So we are here at the Lake Louise Soft-Sided Campground. We're going to be staying here for 5 days, and we're going to be hiking on Wednesday. Here's the car. We bought Mitsubishi with us, and we have some barbecue to cook tonight. I'm going to be cooking some barbecue. Oh, there's progress. Good job, babe. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.